name is Genevieve Capulso. I'm 41 years old. I've been here in Canada for 12 years now. I was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer, and that was last June 25, 2019. You would imagine how I felt that time. It was 3 days before my 40th birthday, and I told to myself that the saying na life starts at 40 is not true at all, because I felt that time that my life will end at 40. But that incident didn't stop me for surviving, because I have an 8-year-old daughter who needs me, who needs my guidance. So I look for ways on how to battle my disease. And that's where I found the testimony of Miss Maritoni Fernandez on YouTube. I really got the hopes for my future, because she had survived breast cancer, stage 2 breast cancer. So I thought, I will look for this product, the Amazing Pure Organic Barley. And that's when I thought of our family friend, Mentor Rach Palomo and Mentor Sam Palomo. And so when I told my friend, Mentor Rach, about what happened to me, all of a sudden, without thinking, without asking money from me, she just sent boxes of barley to Canada. And so before my first chemo on July 23, 1 week before that, I was able already to drink the Amazing Barley. And so my first chemo came, but still, the feeling is really devastating. It's killing me inside and out. There are lots of side effects. I had mouth sore, I had muscle and joint pains, I had nail cracking and skin peeling, and lots of side effects that you wouldn't imagine. And so, but after that, in the second chemotherapy, it has been easier for me. Everything has been easier because the effect of the barley kicked off already. And that was the moment that my oncologist told me. Originally, it should have been 12 chemo sessions. But then because of the progress that I have felt that I had in my chemotherapy, she cut it down to just 8 chemo sessions. And so for the whole year of 2020, I just had my hormone therapy. It's way easier than the chemotherapy, because when you know, the chemotherapy has had the side effect of me losing my hair. When I lost my hair, it was really awful. My family didn't see me when I lost my hair, because I shaved my hair by myself, because I myself have been really shocked on my looks at that time. But of course, right now I'm really happy. I'm so thankful, and I'm really honored. And I would just like to pay it forward to all the people, to the company, to I Am Worldwide, what they had done to my life. Because right now, coming schooling this September, actually I had another career that I'm looking forward to. But of course, I have decided already to make my business with I Am Worldwide full-time. So you see, even if I am not completely cancer-free right now, I am in the process of being cancer-free already, because my oncologist already told me that I can have my surgery soon. So that's really a good news. There has been another stage 4 breast cancer patient in another province who's been told by her doctor that she doesn't need any surgery because she will die anyway. And for me, that's really that's really depressing to hear. Although my doctor told me previously before that I will not have that there is no cure for breast cancer, but then right now she has stated another thing, because she saw the progress in my condition. And I am really glad, and I'm really blessed and thankful to God for bringing me these people from I Am Worldwide in this product who could really save many lives and who could cure really lots of sickness. So I'm really happy on where I am right now, and I'm doing this business right now because not only to earn money, our basic purpose here in being in I Am Worldwide is actually to bring hope to those people. So all this prosperity in life that we are looking for, not only financially but also, of course, in terms of helping other people.